Hello? Brother come home na ye nyame adwuma. And so yasa ba won meet child show. Show how he say meet child show. If you're watching me on Facebook, the bit mine is local YouTube. Now we're searching for Meet Child Show. You will see many of our videos and our current videos. And try to like our videos and subscribe. Or on Facebook. This is a show, a Meet Child Show. Try to share the live video. Share the live video. Come on, yenya nyamye juma. Come on, yenya nyamye juma ne. Just join me. Until right now, Meet Child Show, Jumedi Negusuna, or say, and you better share something simple. How do you earn or gain the trust of a relative or someone living overseas? In Pempi, you know, Yana, you know, Omwa Ghana and him say, Omu Obusuafo wa kwantum. Nti dient no muntu munka. Dient no mu propose bibia, omu nya response and I say omu busa question bia answers Emma. Meet Child Show and our him say so me ohwem YouTuber. What you can do now no is to simply,
dear viewer, kindly like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos.
Yeah, so that is what you can do basically. I mean, if you're watching me live on YouTube, just subscribe. So okay, my Facebook, search for the page Final Voice TV - Meet Child Show. Search for the page Final Voice TV - Meet Child Show and follow that page. Like that page. Ubo busweni wa kwantum. Impempi na pi se na wofa pa na daddy pa ana mam. Bedin sembia to mama nim, bedin sembia to daddy nim, and I say uncle, and my brother, and my sister nim. And so my uncle did not help me, and I say they are. It might not be the case. It might not be the case. It's own person beboa. But the issue is, say na wosi eno mudin kita home, and do they have your trust? Like, do they trust you? O wafa no trust you. O maame no trust you. Unua na opese ko oboa o wakwantuo mu o abrochire opese oboa no trust you. That is the question as obusa. So we're looking at how to gain the trust of someone living overseas. This is Meet Child Show. Abrochire ye baby frustration is stress o pa. A quantum, ya wa quantum, wa quantum be our be say stress and frustration wa quantum no eso. Nti anse na onu obi wo Ghana be din kita ho no. This a trust ye dan e wo ho. Because obi anu a obokum na kokko be de kwa. Nyese yeso wa abrochire nti na Obi say dole money out there, send money or resources back home because they think so abroad. And how do you gain that trust of that person abroad so that you can tango or do something together as two people? So your papa, so your mommy, so your uncle or brother or like sibling. What do you do to gain that trust? Any papi now will come to one person with business back home. Any papi now will come to my omopobi and in a dim komo back home. But trust no way. I met one woman in America. Ikomodi die ma wasi fie mpodi se kra okwa hwana oni ne kosi nkonwa adwene. When you call people back home, unhu die oni wudi nkomo bi asabi ababi wo ma e betim maide moto na mumbi a ebeboa mumienu. And she was categorical, she was specific on the word trust. Wasi fie mpo hwana betima trust no. Oh fie se oni ne koye business. So the issue of trust is to be discussed. Sabaya or per muabia frubi ho or upon tuoma. You know, so there is one thing for sure. I also will follow. And the only principle, no, and I said the only thing to do, no, is trust. How does the person trust you? Trust level, no, I saying. The person abroad may not have trust issues. But we are quantum more na nesi opinion, more na nebrewa quantum. So our son or this ebefia, the person will think about this basic thing, trust. Because abrochina koye baby bia obia what to kwanda bia nim say the environment alone no cry change say what university we. What I'm trying to say is say so obia anko school or Ghana mpo no oba abrochina so anko school. The system here no is like sanko or they call university. The system will give you principles. This system will take you through a whole lot of stuff. Ubashia enoma p when you travel. It's a nipano ebun kompo kohenechia. No busa no questions. Hey, intimate minute atom. Aye, baby. Can I discuss something with atom? Before that discussion can go on, no, this a trust here then. Ewo ho. Senior atom mechiao. Over my life. First Pidon. Daniel Mensah, I mean, all people watching me, I greet you. This is Meet Charles Show. And they hear how to gain the trust of someone or a relative living overseas. Pina person mo bua fie for. You want man for mo abrochino person mo bua fie for. They want to help people back home. Abrochino, ebi mo nya sika ne bi, ebi mo nsam ye, ebi mo so bre. That is the story over here. Abrochire ebi mo nya sika ne bi, ebi mo so bre. Enti de wonya sika na kra na o de sika kwa abontia. So obadwene ho. Obadwene ho ansa. How much more do you onya sika ne bi? De all bre. Enti nipa de ko bre. O abrochire all right. Okokoya adwuma, obre, oba no, be a friend the same patch or one kakra. Be patch of me yesika. The person will ask him or herself questions. And one thing I am a demutant in ban a trust. And it takes time to build and end trust. It takes time to build and end trust. Minya Nanamuta, Shadamuta, Michiao. Oh, coming from Brekum. I greet you. How do we end the trust? How do we gain trust of someone abroad? So come on, kakra. Let's talk about how you can gain trust. So come on Facebook, Mr. Search for a page called Final Voice TV Meet Charles Show. Just type in somewhere Final Voice TV Meet Charles Show. Now follow our page, because my live streams will be going. I will do those live streams on that page. So to see me again, just search for Final Voice TV Meet Charles Show and follow that page. Like that page and follow that page. So when we fail up the YouTuber, you know what to do. So him on
Dear
YouTube.
viewer, kindly like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos.
Yeah, so all right, so opesa obi o wa kwantuom ene odinsa woso opesa obi a or US, New Zealand, Australia, Germany, UK or no a partner or no like onya dobi ma no din komo na mpo timi buawa so your mame or your papa or your sibling onya bedru ha. This system will tell him or her say check to see whether the person is honest. So be honest. So no be wa broche dealer. Be honest. Be truthful. Be real. Reveal your true self. Reveal your true self. Only some friends be ana cronies ana say relatives be din koma. How sincere they are. They are not honest in their ways. Even so, ono en common woman be 4 minutes of your time to talk. Honesty be how see can some. Because truth be any asem no coming. But say the panaso pemwa. It doesn't work that way. And to know be broche kasa the first thing, the first principle is be honest, be truthful as much as you can. Be real. Reveal your true self. Be sincere. These things are the first things you are supposed to note. Se nipa no wa kwantu mu na o breno o si apinie o tempenten kwano so wo hu se o ye honest, o ye real. You are true to yourself. I mean, you are truthful. You are so real, like you have revealed your true self to him or her or no obedience our soul. So once we are sincere, get to be one way or two ways be a nipa na monitor wa we say no. Nipa na wo Ghana no, I have known him or I have known her for a while, and this lady or this gentleman is so sincere. He's so truthful on obedience our soul. Again, second thing to note, onu obi wa kwantu mu din sa so a. Please. No huge demands. More na ebre. Abroche na e ba no, ebi manya bi, ebi musu nya bi. Ebi mu ba haja bi. Ebi mu tira yeye. Me pa choti ase. Sade mpanifo ta kan ensatia nyina anya pe. Ensatia nyina anya pe. And to no be a wa broche e dealer. Please. No huge demands unless you know say nipa no will be. You have every fact. Say nipa no will be. Then you can go to extra miles of demanding something huge. Unless say nipa na culture say, oh, I can help with this. Say nipa no wa control the culture say, I can help with this there. Then you know how to demand. But so if you don't know how far the person can help her, no huge demands. And same second principle, no huge demands, try to appreciate. Obey the idea, bro. So be what brochures or send you sika. Try to appreciate. Many Ghanaians, many of our family members, our friends don't show appreciation. And nipa no ahochere na anaso wo paade a otimi fa phone WhatsApp pa Facebook call no afrel ba wo da de ne komana de wo nya ya wo de komana no appreciation ne ma onim thank you ana me dase because no op 10 and komana 2 no op 20 and komana 4 and just that nya den emma. And the second thing to note, so no be wa broche delia, no huge demands. Unless you know, said, and I said the person himself or herself has told you, say, I can help with this. Until that, no huge demands. Another thing to note, and it's a show appreciation. And here, second thing I was saying so. Yes, I did to say, only friends and families back home, din koma. Only effective communication. And to nipa na why stressed up, why frustrated, abrochre. And nipa na okwa adwuma ba ya wa bre a obeda no. And answer, he or she must plan the next thing to do in life. The person talking to him or her is not communicating effectively. And the conversation here boring. And to be our brochure, be specific, be straight, and have effective communication. Because Jenipani famu hano intimi nkane nyina nchiro. Nto be our brochure na samu din koma. Lady Conlan Madenton, Lydia, I greet you. It's been a while, my sister. Also, Derek Young, respect to you too. Onu bi wa brochure edin so waswa Bernard Quaten, Omoto, I greet you. Onu bi wa brochure edin koma. Be specific, be straight, and make sure so you know how to communicate to hit your target. Ntisa, nipa na be say no. Anytime you come to disturb him or her, the person might think that you only come call him or her and disturb because you don't even know how to communicate. You are not specific and straight in whatever you want. So to gain the trust of someone abroad, no, say also yes specific sometimes, and that's many times. Also yes straight. Communication should be on point. Ntisa nipa no beg no. Sa make how one pie boom. And answer make how one pie boom. Sa no man on yen in the nipa it's good. Empire ni prayers ni. But a nipa na crow frawa. Onim dia waka. Please make sure so you have effective communication skills. Be straight to the point and be specific. Unu bi owa brochire edilia, be specific. Nana Kwesi Fosu, I greet you. Mr. Gilbert Marfo, I greet you. This is Meet Charles Show. So see us all here. What you can do. So over Facebook, just search for Fana Voice TV - Meet Charles Show. Fana Voice TV - Meet Charles Show. It's a page. You will see many of our videos, and answer in the coming days. I may be streaming live via that page. So search for Fana Voice TV - Meet Charles Show on Facebook. Go to YouTube. Just go to YouTube and search for Fana Voice TV. It's a whole channel of itself. And Meet Charles Show. And see a channel of itself. And there were 2 channels and on YouTube. Fana Voice TV and I say Meet Charles Show over YouTube. Yeah, Mr. Gilbert, it's been a while, I know. Let's move to the third thing. Like second part, mature be specific, be straight, and have effective communication skills. Nasa mekai won pai boom ana mekai won pai boom de bia na sefo no. The pe offer pa de bia mekai won pai boom meka is becoming one too many. What is your point? What is your issue? Sada bia conversation in your boring no. Many panel and follow conversation no. Na muntu build this trust, because it takes time to build and earn trust. And the panel must admire you. The person must first admire you and understand you. Understanding no any love and answer admiration now ma. You're not trusting in your day. Trust and enfollow. You're not trusting so much enfollow. Because only can emper WhatsApp until WhatsApp must. How will the person trust you? So note these things. Another thing, the fourth thing that we are supposed to check and say. And pempi no only your brothers and sisters no more gonna need in coma. Musabia or makoten komobi no munu bedi. Like or mako somewhere a kotin komobi and no munu bedi. Because nipa no beka business idea and answer or beka business be one say oh bra and sister say. But obia what's not like I mentioned earlier, nipa no onya beduru sa environment we ma. This environment alone no, the person living abroad keke no is like someone we university of Ghana. Se nipa ne ba ha say na need the form so bobra. The person will learn so many things. So your bow, so your bemo, but you know mapi. And so no dealia. It is how be work school directory. The system will make it so for him or her. And when anybody dealia, now offer business idea be bar. Nipa can read minutes into it. Say asama papa ye can. And so the fourth thing to note is to gain the trust of someone abroad. No, have the capability, the capacity. I say, oh friend, if your friend or no can Dubai trip once, then you begin to ask yourself questions. Obu send the question class or passport was it there? You need passport. Dubai trip no can once no. What do people go there to do? Onim. He doesn't know anything about the Dubai trip. Passport to only be Ghana. But I say Dubai na yes say now better from outside. People's business ideas no. Try as much as you can. Try as much as you can no, to understand the business. Have the capability, the capacity. Are you capable of taking that venture? Offer the boy, offer the wabutre, or your siblings will help you. But one case you don't have the capacity. The capability is not there. And to gain the trust of someone abroad, many people enter communication. I say, many people also we are sincere, we are truthful. You just reveal your true self. Be real. No huge demands. Show appreciation. Be specific. Be straight in your communication, and have the capability or the capacity to execute what you are saying. So, person on any business. Read more about that business. Know more. Be practical. Be practical, and your father or mother will have that trust to help you. Another thing to note, which will be the seed thing. Excuse me. Sometimes, yana ono obi kasa wa Ghana. Any panel thinks that he or she must be perfect for you to understand him or her. The system abroad is different. The system over here, you don't need to be so much perfect. Say, you're perfect. I say, you're no. It's about the results. Obia what's not going to be any says about the results. How do we get this thing done? How do we achieve these results? Until Salbert may approval to your siblings abroad and not your mother or father or a friend, so you can achieve that results. No, so I trust in your time for them to help you. You are in Ghana thinking about being perfect, but the person overseas thinks it's about the results and how we can make progress, and not development overnight. So I will say, yeah, business within 1 week is successful. No. So business is successful 1 week and now in 2 weeks time. And what about next year? What about the coming months? Can this business thrive for about a year or two? You in Ghana, no why is until you are bringing out business idea, it can only last for a month or two or a week. Because but the person abroad is thinking about the results and the progress that you people can do, the future, how you can sustain that business, how that business can be sustained, how you can sustain the business as well. And then the Lady Asampana Sandra Sampana Michelle, it's been a while. So another thing to note, is don't just think that you are perfect or you have to be perfect to win the trust of the person abroad. No. It's about how you can make progress. It's about how You show the person so you can achieve the results through these means. We can achieve the results through these means. Systematically justify so the results can be achieved and the person will trust you. Another thing, your friends and family members in Ghana do not know and say, many a times our people back home do not want to take responsibility. They are always defensive. Any pan only will be dealing with brochery. Ebia make us discard by some mofanya business. Or discard by some mofanya business. Business no as a air form. The business is almost collapsing. But you are out there still defending. You are being defensive. Instead of taking responsibility as a friend or as a brother, no, or as a relative, no, you are being defensive. Take responsibility as a family member or as a friend, and you can gain the trust of the person overseas. It is not my fault. And not my fault. That is not true. And if you look at the facts, and if you eye investigation, you say when we are into the business near the flop here. When we are into the no mind the edge go. But what Frau no Kasa was say and your fault. It is not true. Why are you always blaming me? Why are you always blaming me? And then the Kasa obi ofi otaka. But obi o wa kwantwom bia is stressed up or frustrated or bread or see a penny. Okoye adwuma ba tua o rent wi a yaka nyina eketwa bi. Na nipa ni save, the person is saving trying to help family back home. No, the sika ba say mo fanya business and I said mo fanya bibia be bo busua no and I say mo nyina together. Please try to take responsibility. Be responsible for your actions. Keep your promise. Be responsible for your actions. I mean, win the game through your action, your good deeds. Win the argument between you and your father abroad. The argument between you and your mother or siblings abroad, no, win that argument through good deeds, your action, your good actions, and not trying to be defensive. Maybe you don't blame me. That is not true. It's not my fault. No. The person will always blame you because this system, the system over here, the system overseas, no, will always blame you. The system overseas will always keep you on your toes. The system in America, in Germany, Belgium, Holland, New Zealand, China, wherever, Australia, will keep you on your toes. So, on will be the lower Ghana, you want the person to also be on his or her toes and take responsibility. The person must keep his or her promise. And this you can never earn or gain the trust of the person abroad. Win the game through your good actions. I mean, win the argument with good actions and not sa medium abrow, medium infan no. Only will be the lower brochure. This language is not emwa. This speech no emwa. Another thing I was sharing or that is the seventh thing to note. Only will be our brochure if we want to gain the trust. Mr. Frank, a champion, Michiao, baby, I will be a. If you want to gain the trust of someone abroad, be reliable, be accessible. Be accessible as much as you can. Only nipa no dinko, nipa no brochure. Like I said, the system can frustrate you over here. Ghana yeshi, but brochure was papa. A brochure, obedia konya ba ma wadwene mu no an say yeah, oh bread. The body is also tired. And to know be our brochure delay. Be reliable, be accessible. Only any panel dinkomo edru baby. Only any panel eye business be a modru baby. If any panel of frau kra onyaw. Onya reliable. Was Friday mefra ubenya time was ane. About 9 p.m. Ghana time, mefra ubenya time was ane. Ni panel fra onyaw. Wa fra for now. You buy one who miss calls, also I won't back. You're not even testing or replying the text or the message. Be reliable as much as you can to gain the trust of someone abroad. Be accessible. And funny panel and kosi subunani, like as a mob beginning something. You are progressing. All of a while, any panel tonka bium. Wako jane subunani, or for a while tonka, the person will not trust you. The person will not trust you. Shannon, so be reliable and be accessible as much as you can. Another thing I saw Shannon so is be in control of a business or a project. So obi boaw edomo ehu mobo. Obi boaw edomo hu mobo. No the sika ba sa mfanya business. Or the sika ba say let's have a project done within a month or two. Na be si menu ya. Please. Be in control of the business. Don't delegate powers. Now, Mr. Yao Isa, business no, akosi saying, also, Mikasa Kwame Nkore. Kwame Kwore bed now what you maintaining ka. Oya onyare, otiapo, you are fit. Onu obi ye business, obia dumwa temsika. Obia dumwa, obia bua, obia akayo. Obi o Ghana, o bre, obi akayo. What time secure from Bocha say, let's do business. Let's have a project done. If Obusawa was say, make I say ama enkohe. Me kra no me ko hacho. Okra wa kaime. Okra wa kaime enche me ko ho. Like I say, oh no onu dia oye. Sika no de buy na bi awadi. Sika na nipa ne bon modern 18 pinto quite some 50 no tena Japan and I say US and UK or Germany. Ede brown no wadi. Internal and found who crampo. And many people have that mindset say, or I broach it until Ubusani Sika or so deba. Many Ghanaians are of that mindset say, oh, or the $10,000 aba. My main pemu 5 in front of baby. Because I get then my friend and say business need years ago. Or we need money to continue. That money will come. That is a bad perception. So tie me intro now, like me pre-word now. More na 18 painting kwa more na ebra abrochire. Obi koye adwuma bi ba, ohia massage ansa na ohotimada. Obi koye adwuma bi ba, oto ho a this is the next day. More na ebra abrochire. To so obi kaya obi wa abrochire na so kaya say, "Oh, I have a family member, I have a friend. Let me support him or her." Please be in control of the business or the project. Don't delegate powers. So for information, be up to date. Be up to date of that business or project. And just say you will never gain the trust of that person. Don't delegate powers. Obi wa butchers or no delay. Not time your friend do be China say, oh, make I say kwa kunkware. Ana me kra masuma amajman. Ana me kra masuma efia. Me kra masuma no. Wan kasa ukoho. Unim de yakoso. Are you up to date? That is what you can do to gain the trust of someone abroad. So any panel your business. To gain the trust or earn the trust of someone abroad, another thing that's also when they say, take risk together. Because I take risk together, be willing to give as well as receiving. Just as you think you want to receive, be willing to give. Only nipa no adding in sawaswako drew baby. Say your business na mo ya. If you are, mummy no your business, it be a flourishing, and now there is a progress. Many partners who risk are who take it in the business. And among two be a who to among be wa broach biano. Many partners who the risk are one casa also take it upon yourself. So be willing to give sometimes, not always receiving. It's a mindset sending panel broach to pay $5,000 or also the bus here. It's a mindset. Oh, pay 10,000 euros. Also, what they buy. One farm man or a no. The person also has plans. I mean, the person has plans. The person has plans. And to know be the lower butcher, take risk together. Be willing. Just be willing to give as well as receive. Be willing to give as well as receive. Jumedia bia or any pani dilibia fahusham. Mani dia also lose. What are you losing in this thing we are doing? It should not be him or her alone. Then also so we are sure so you are also taking risk as a friend or as a family member. When you do this, you can gain the trust of someone overseas or also abroad. Keep their secrets. Oh, Adam Fobo abrochre, oh, Nuebu abrochre. And come on now, the person omnu bedin komo. Aja WhatsApp or honum, I mean Facebook call or honum. And can you pane the person no bedin komo. But so no bedin komo na de betchine da bonting. Asem wo kan ekra no wanka, de wo kan wanka ne sa. And ye beyedin. So what am I say? And to no be wa abrochre se mu delay. Please, 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 please. Please. Keep their secrets. Oka asema enko change no, enko sesa no. Se Kojo say, Kwaku say, Franklin say, Citizen Kojo say, no, one can say. In the first place, were you supposed to go out? No. Obenu din komona so nsum so fa kwa bontina. Keep it to yourself. Keep that information or that discussion to yourself. So empo baka na bontina, please can say the oil the can pepe. Keep people's secrets. And just the stress and the frustration over here no. And many panic crowd can say also time phone fraud. Just one trust over. If the trust is not there, the person will not call you. Then I want to I was about 3 years no one frame. About 4 years no one frame. Because on no din komobi watina bonten. And nipa no abroach no enu din komobi watina bonten say. And tesa. Because you are not able to keep secrets. And that said it takes time to build and earn trust. It takes time to build and earn trust. And to no be the wa broche nipa no akwantu please try to keep the person's secret and our discussions. That way the person will trust you. Okay, Mr. Sia, this is Meet Charles Show. Meet Charles Show on YouTube. So him a YouTuber. It's okay, but you can equally go to Facebook. Nah, walk check it. If you go to Facebook, search for the page. There is a page called Final Voice TV - Meet Charles Show. Please just search for Final Voice TV - Meet Charles Show. It's a page on Facebook. Follow the page and like our videos or like the page. You can go to YouTube, search for Meet Charles Show. Meet Charles Show. And you will see the videos that we have so far, or the live stream that we do on Meet Charles Show. So, one thing I was saying, Ocean and Sonny said, Ono be the lower brochura. Just try. You are trying, no. Just try to remember the role of respect. Your friends ni be breeding komo, your family members ni be doing komo. On shadow respect bi wo ono omunan fofanim. On shadow respect bi onua ba bi ana onua ba ma bi ewo ma. On shadow respect bi o cousin bi, o nephew bi, o niece bi wo ma. And the same person wants help from you. No. And nipa no wa kwantu ma, like I told you, obre stress ni more. Ajumaden back-breaking jobs agana fo bi ye na brochi no, ye ka obedwane. Nti se obafie na wo hu miss call. Wo hu miss call o. Wo hu se one miss call and like the person missed your call. Na sa ni pan mahu so mu ade. Sa me busuani no mahu so mu ade ana sa me friend no mu ade. Sa me friend no ana me busuani doesn't know the role of respect in relationship. O miss call no obey friend be 80 times onfa. Know the role of respect. Just remember the role of respect in your relationship, in your dealings with someone abroad or living overseas. So respect no ho any pani benya time ama de bia no wadi nkomo. Information bia wo pe bia no the person will be willing to give because you respect him or her. Support bia wo hia bia no the person will be willing to give to you overnight. Quickly, because and if you know on any dealing no or respect it, the person always remember the role of respect in that relationship. The person is able to keep their secrets. The person is able to take risk together with him or her. The person is reliable. The person is accessible. The person is able to take responsibility. The person is able to keep his or her promise. The person has the capability or the capacity to execute a business or a project. The person knows what matters most is the good results and then the progress that you can make together. The person knows when you call him or her and answer in your dealings, you are always specific and straight and you have effective communication skills. You will always hear from the person. Trust me. If your demands are not so huge, because any pane bread or koyajuma or didn't pay or tiene rent you eti 1 or 2 expenses be free man. Jack bamuna kaketu webi. Kwacha anasa, sikanasa. And the whole save kakra. So if your demands are huge, unless the person the person has promised you say, I can help you with this money, or I am in good position to help you. If not, your demands should not be huge. Show appreciation. Many Ghanaians or many family members or friends do not show appreciation when they receive support or favor from someone abroad. Try to show appreciation. Any paniye bibi mawa. Text him or her. Call. Sabia bro, and a friend, and a daddy, mom, uncle. Medawasipi. Say, just as we were taught in Ghana, try to show appreciation. Be thankful. Major thing, as I mentioned earlier, be honest, be truthful, be real, reveal your true self, be sincere, be so much sincere. Mr. Alfred Broker, Michelle, be so much sincere in your dealings with someone overseas. Ebasa, mumienu, the trust will always be there. Ebasa, upe bibia, as in support or information. On Sabeka. This is Meet Child Show. What you can do for Meet Child Show. And it's Obeko YouTube. If you are watching me on Facebook, or go to YouTube now. Search for Meet Child Show, please. Kindly search for Meet Child Show. And you see our live streaming, your old videos. If you go and see that channel on YouTube, kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe. And even let people know. Tell a friend to tell a friend, say yen your Charles. Say yen me Uncle Charles. Say madien yena Charles. Our channel be our YouTube IFN Meet Charles Show. There is another channel called Final Voice TV. Final Voice TV is also our YouTube. You can equally subscribe. Just go there and search for Final Voice TV and subscribe. So channels na koye too. Final Voice TV, yeah, live streaming. And also your videos will, you can go through our videos. Subscribe to Final Voice TV. Now, search for Meet Child Show. Our YouTube now. Meet Child Show and subscribe to Meet Child Show or YouTube. So Facebook, that's how him Facebook. You will search for a page. You try boom together. Final Voice TV hyphen Meet Charles Show. Page, you know, your train name and album together. It's a one page. Final Voice TV hyphen Meet Charles Show. That is, if you're not on Facebook and you want to watch me many times as I come your way on Facebook, it's gonna be through that page, via that page. So search for Final Voice TV hyphen Meet Charles Show. You know what the incomo? Ya chirao, the also here. You have been told what to do to gain the trust of someone or a relative living overseas. Adwuma ne ye nyame nsa wo yeso ye beka no kra kire wo nyame nsa wo yeso ye wo mo be information bia wo pe bia e de be ma wo nyame asoma ye se adwuma ne yenye na ye be ye. This is Meet Charles Show. Meet Charles Show. What's going on?